Welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to create an interactive template in Mercuri. First, go to Templates and then select WhatsApp from the left side panel. Next, click on the Interactive Templates tab. Now, select Create Interactive Template. You'll land on the template creation page. Let's build a carousel message using an EdTech example, showcasing online courses with images, descriptions, and CTA buttons. Begin by entering a short and descriptive template name. From the drop-down menu, choose the interactive message type as Carousel. In the body section, add the main message that will appear above your carousel cards. This text sets the context for what the users are about to see. After adding the body text, let us add carousel cards. I've already filled in the card content for this demonstration, so you can clearly see how each section looks. Now, let's look at the first card. Here we have selected media type as image. Paste the image URL of the product or service here. Under card body text, add short description of the item. Under button label, add the text that will appear on the button inside the carousel card. This is what the user will see and tap. Under button URL, enter the web page link where you want the user to be redirected when they tap the button. To add the second card, simply click the Add Card button and repeat the same steps for filling in the image, text, and button details. Once all cards are added, review the content, images, and URLs from the preview screen. Finally, click Create to submit the carousel template for approval.